Turning your passion for fitness into a profitable venture can be both rewarding and lucrative. Fitness enthusiasts have a variety of side hustle options to explore. From personal training to creating and selling workout plans online, the opportunities are vast. These side hustles allow you to utilize your fitness knowledge and skills to help others achieve their health goals while you earn additional income. Each option has its unique set of challenges and returns, but the key is to identify which aligns best with your interests and strengths. Personal training is a rewarding fitness side hustle that allows you to directly impact the health and wellness of individuals. To become a personal trainer, one must acquire certification from an accredited organization, which educates on various fitness techniques and safety protocols. Gaining clients can be achieved through networking, online marketing, and partnerships with gyms. The income of a personal trainer can be quite attractive and increases as you build a client base. Customizing workout plans to fit individual needs not only helps in achieving better results for clients, but also enhances client satisfaction and retention. The digital fitness industry has surged thanks to the accessibility of online platforms. Fitness enthusiasts can leverage platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and specialized fitness apps to share content ranging from workout videos to nutrition advice. Creating engaging content consistently is key to growing an audience. Monetizing this audience can be done through various streams such as advertisements, sponsorships from fitness brands, and exclusive memberships offering personalized content. Effectively engaging with your audience by responding to comments and tailoring content to their preferences increases interaction and the potential for higher earnings. Starting a business in designing and selling fitness products opens diverse opportunities. For enthusiasts keen on launching workout gear, supplements, or nutritional plans, understanding the market needs and customer preferences is crucial. Utilizing e-commerce platforms simplifies the process of reaching a global audience. Platforms like Shopify or Amazon offer streamlined services to list and sell products. Effective marketing strategies like social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and content marketing can drive significant traffic and conversions. Always ensure product quality and regulatory compliance, especially with supplements and nutritional products, to build trust and ensure customer safety. Organizing fitness events such as workshops, retreats, or challenges requires careful planning and execution. Firstly, determine the type of event that will attract your target audience. Understanding the logistics, including venue selection, equipment needs, and scheduling, is crucial for a smooth operation. Marketing your event effectively through social media, local fitness communities, and partnerships can greatly increase attendance and engagement. Collaborating with well-known fitness personalities or local gyms can also boost your event's credibility and reach. Such collaborations can provide mutual benefits, including shared resources and increased exposure.